Welcome to the SEO report tool. To access the SEO tool, you are not going to go to the normal area at the top where this menu is, because this specific tool falls under the category of Business Center. And you're going to find that on the left-hand side, scrolling down by clicking on Business Center, down to SEO report and click. Once you've clicked, you're going to get to a page like this. Now, it's important to remember, if you are going to run an SEO report, you need to know the right keyword for that specific URL that you are going to use. So for this example, I'm just going to use digital platform and pretending that this is the keyword, and we're going to put in bold it all. Now, obviously, I don't know what is the specific keyword, but I want to show you how to run this report. So then you're just going to click on New SEO Report, and it's going to go draw all the information from that website, bring it back, and give it a grade. If the grade is anything less than an A, it means that you need to go and solve some of the problems. And it's very easy to find out what the problems is by looking at the overview area here. It tells you which is the critical factors that you have to look at and have to change, the relevance, the moderate, the low, and the optional factors. Now, clicking on one of them, you will see the inscription of the crawl status and the explanation on how to fix that specific item. If it's got a tick like this, it means no action is further needed. But where there is no clicks like this, no ticks that are green, it means you need to give a little bit of attention to it. Now, it's easy. Once you have completed all of this on your website and you've republished, you can just come back to the SEO report, put in your keyword and rerun the report and see if your grade has changed. Once you have done that, maybe you've got a client and you would like to supply them with a service such as this. You can really just go by clicking on Save PDF, and you would be able to send them a complete report on the URL of their site. And that is basically all there is to the SEO report tool. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in another.